Welcome to You Can Do It. So today we're looking at dressing a bench grinder wheel or stone, however you want to call it. So this is a bench grinder I've serviced. I've put new bearings in it because it was making a bit of a racket and the switch had gone on it, so I've replaced the switch, put two new bearings on it. I've got this wheel which is a coarse one and this one is a finer. As you can see, it's had all sorts of different bits of aluminium and copper on there, and also if you actually look at this one there, look, you can see it's got a groove in there in the middle. As you can see, probably see it that light there, look, it's got a groove in it. So what we're going to do is quickly show you how we're going to sort these out and put them back to brand new. Now with these wheels, if you've had them apart or they've been sent to you or anything like that, it really is best to check that they're not cracked. So the way you do is that you take your stone off and you put a screwdriver through the centre of that stone wheel, and maybe to support the screwdriver in a vise or whatever, so the wheel is just hanging on that screwdriver, and then you just tap the wheel with something metallic or something, and this should ring. You should get a nice ring in it, so like a bell, ring ring ring. Same with that one, so they both have a ring in it, so I know that they're okay. If they don't, if they've got a dead sound to it, then it's cracked, so get rid of it. You don't really want these things exploding on you. Okay, so what do we need to sort this out? First of all, you need some protection for your eyes. You need one of these, which I've just bought this off the internet, off Amazon. It wasn't more than about €6 or €7. So it's diamond stones there onto just a piece of galvanised bar. So the idea for that is you just rest it on there and go like that. Make sure your gap here is as narrow as possible, because you don't want this to sort of go down and get caught like that. And then best to have a mask because it produces a lot of dust. Okay, so let me put the mask on and my eye protection and let's get cracking. Okay, let's start again. I've got a mask on so you can't really hear me, so start the thing up. Right, and then we'll go like this. Okay, look, it's looking a lot better. It's looking like a new wheel, but if you look down there, you can see it's a little bit angled on that side, so I need to put a little bit more on that side. But she's looking a lot better, isn't she? So let's just do a bit more. So look at that. Looks beautiful, isn't it? That's completely flat down there, look. And looks like a brand new stone, yeah? It's ready to go. I mean, if you... Right, so that's that side done. So there's a lot of dust here. You definitely need to... So now I need to start on this one. Of course, now I've done that, I need to undo this and just move that this support back in a little bit. And now let's try this one here. So we can see, if you look down there, you can see that that's a bit angled there. So we're going to just try and stick that in and square that one up. So let's go. So yeah, look at that one. Beautiful. There's a little bit of, what did I see, a little bit there? Yeah, look there. I'll just try and get that off. She's nice and square. So let me just spin that and try and clean that right up. They might have a bit of a wobble as they slow right down, because the wheels are always not 100% true. Look at that. Look at that. She's beautiful, isn't she? Like a brand new stone there. And that one's like a brand new stone. So that's how you true up your grinder with what, that's sort of £6 or £7 so that's good to do quite a few. That's still got plenty of life left in it, so put that away. And there you've done it. You can do it. You've done it. You've dressed your grinding wheel. If you've got any comments, send me a comment. Subscribe to the channel if you like it. You can do it. See you soon.